Okay, can you hear me? Okay, sorry, I was late 10 minutes. Okay, measuring instruments and devices and measurement complete lesson discussed, right? And tutorial completed, exam completed, unit exam completed. I think 14 students attend to the exam, and all marks given the same time, and we discuss difficult questions. Not difficult questions, all questions discussed, no? All questions discussed. Okay, this is our second lesson. Actually, if it is our class second lesson in syllabus, this is the first lesson, basic mathematics. Basic mathematics. Write down the topic in your writing book, notebook. Basic mathematics. 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 Write down the topic on your writing book. Basic mathematics. Basic mathematics. Basic mathematics. And write down, this is a very important topic we are discussing today. We are going to discuss and most important lesson of the syllabus. Most important lesson, because this angle measurement topic not important only for area volume lesson, for rotational motion, work energy power, electricity lesson, heat lesson, and other all lessons. This angle measurements and basic mathematics very important. Not only angle measurements, all basic things we discussing in uh, and basic mathematics. In this basic first lesson, they are very important for our future lessons, right? These are our basic mathematics. For this lesson, you have small tute. Small tute means you have a lot of questions, not no notes for this lesson. Make a notes name. Make it's a mathematics lesson. The problem due to our printing problem, I couldn't send this tute. I couldn't post last week. Okay, no worries. Actually, no any theories, no any notes. Any questions? It are only questions and short note equations. Okay, today discussing parts. It's completely mathematics part. No need any tutes or notes. Before next week, I'll send you tutes with next lesson tute as well, because our next lesson I'll send both lessons Tuesday. Our next lesson forces, yeah, force and its behaviors. Forces and its behaviors. I will send both tutes. Hi. Okay, basic mathematics. Basic mathematics. I have sent a soft copy into our group, right? Soft copy of the tute. No need, not required this tute, because today we're discussing another basic parts. Okay, write down the topic basic mathematics, and the first basic mathematics topic, angle measurements. Angle measurements. Angle measurements. Angle measurement. Angle measurements. Okay, what are the units we can use to measure angles? In O level time, how many units? How many number of units we can use to measure angles? Yeah, you can. Very good. Degrees, Rashmita, good. What else? What are the other units? Yeah, we can use degrees. Great. Yeah, minutes. Yes. What else? Yeah, minutes is not the main unit. Degrees is a main unit. Okay. What else? What are the other main units? Other main units. Degree is one unit. Yeah, in O level time, you only use degrees as main unit. But in our syllabus, we have two main units to measure angles. Two main units to measure angles. The first one, degrees. Degrees. The first one, degrees. Then what is our new unit that we called as radian? Radian. Radian, not radium, radian, right? AN, radian. Okay, radian is a new unit we are going to discuss. Now, in our syllabus, we have two main units to measure angles. What are the units? Degrees and radians, right? Degrees and radians. Degrees and radians. Okay, what is the symbol of degrees? This is a symbol, right? 5 degrees, this symbol, right? 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Okay, what is the symbol of radian? What is symbol of radian? Remember, it is rad. R-A-D, not R. Not R. Rad is the unit. Rad. Rad. Wait. What happened? Okay. Rad. R-A-D. Then how to write 5 rad? 5 rad. 5 radian. 5 radian. 30 radian. 30 radian. 30 radian. Right? We have two units to measure angles. What are the units? Degrees and radian. Degrees and radians. Degrees and radians. Okay, write down the topic angle measurements. Subtopic number 1, angle measurements. Angle measurements. Angle measurements. Okay, write down the first topic with, so the first point is with the star mark. First point. There are two main units. There are two main units. There are two main units can be used to measure angles. There are two main units can be used to measure angles. Okay, write down from number 1, degrees with the symbol. From number 2, radian with the symbol. What is the symbol? Rad. Rad is a symbol. Rad is a symbol. Degrees. The second one, radian within bracket rad. R-A-D. Remember, R-A-D. Not R. R-A-D is a symbol. Radian. Okay, write down the first subtopic, degrees. Write down the first subtopic, degrees. Write down the first subtopic, degrees. No very long theory notes. It's just calculation part, right? Calculation, understanding part. Therefore, today lesson very important, and you have to carefully understand. Degrees. Degrees within bracket, this is degrees. Okay, you're learning about degrees from grade 6, starting from grade 6, no? High indang karna. Am I correct? Grade 6 or 7? Yeah, however, starting from very small time, okay. Okay. Do you know what is the size of 1 degree? What is the size of 1 degree? Tell me, it is very small or it is very large area, or how about size? How we can explain the size of the 1 degree? How we can explain the size of 1 degree? Very small. No, how we can understand the size? Sometimes if I told think it is 1 degree and our earth also within 1 degree, අපේ earth එකක් තියෙන්නේ 1 degree එකක් කියලා කිව්වොත්, can you understand? Can you believe this? Our earth also within 1 degree? Yes, it is possible. It's possibility. Why? No, you all answers very too small, very small, very small. No. Then how we can define, how we can identify what is the size of degree? 1 degree. What's the size of 1 degree? It is not too small actually. Sometimes our earth or our entire universe within 1 degree. අපේ universe එක, මේ කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? universe එක කියන්නේ මේ විශ්වය නේද? Complete universe possible to have in within 1 degree. Then how we can define the size of 1 degree? 1 degree. 1 degree. How we can define the size of 1 degree? It's getting bigger the further it's go. Yeah, it's mainly depend on the radius. Can anyone define 1 degree of size? It varies. Yeah, it varies depend on the distance, depend on the radius, depend on the radius. Okay, now you all are correct up to now. Okay, still I didn't receive the definition. How we can explain 1 degree? කොහොමද අපිට explain කරන්න පුළුවන් the size of 1 degree? තාම කවුරුත් no any answers yet. How we can explain the size of 1 degree? Okay, remember, very good, Nitire. Very good. Yeah, if you got circle, you already know it's a normal circle. හරි මටම circle එකක් ගමු. Very good, Vinuji. Yes, 1 degree mean, yeah, this is a definition. Say on. If you got a circle, what is the complete? This is the origin. This is the origin. And this is the radius. Radius. Okay, what is the total angle of circle? What is the total angle of circle? What is this total angle? It's 360. 360 degrees, right? 60 degrees. Okay, 360 degrees equal 3 parts. Identical 360 parts. If I divide into 360 identical parts, give me a second. 360 identical parts. 360 identical parts. One part we called as 1 degree. 1 over 160 degree equal 1 degree. Okay, this is a definition of 1 degree. That's it. That we can, the better way. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. A full circle 360. So 1 degree, small part of a circle. Yeah. Small part mean a kill. Yeah, and it's okay. So, no. Akil, small part mean you have to divide into 360 identical parts. Then one part size is the 1 degree. I got, this is a 1 degree, this size. Okay, this size you can you see? That's why I told sometimes our earth or universe also within 1 degree. It is having within 1 degree possibility. Why? It's when increase distance mean increase of radius, the size increasing. It's not, we can't say 1 degree too small. It's depend on the distance from the origin. It's depend on the distance on the origin, from origin, right? I got. Okay, this is a definition of 1 degree and can explain the size of 1 degree, right? Yeah, when the circle gets bigger, the size of 1 degree getting increased. Yes, Rashmi. Yes. Okay, now how we can define 1 degree? Any circle divided into 360 identical parts. One part size we called as a 1 degree. Okay, write down under degree, write down with star mark the definition. Any circle, any circle, any circle, if divide into 360 identical parts, 360 identical parts, identical parts, the size of one part, the size of one part can be defined as 1 degree. The size of one part can be defined as 1 degree. The size of one part can be defined as 1 degree. Okay. Draw this and note down. Okay, that you already know because you told starting from grade 6 you learning degrees, no? Then you should know it. That's the meaning of 1 degree, one circle divided into 360 identical parts. Then size of one part equal to 1 degree. Complete. No need to divide into 360 part. You can note down that. Right? Just only show. Complete. Okay, degree is complete. Okay, write down the next topic, radian. Radian. The next topic, radian. Ra- Radian. Rat. Radian. Okay, now degree. Okay, degree mean circle divided into 360 identical parts. Then size of one part equal to 1 degree. Okay, that's done. Now, what is the meaning of 1 radian? How about the size of 1 radian? Do you know? Any idea? Ashini, any idea? Any idea? No. 1 radian not equal to 5. Yeah, I think partially correct. ටිකක් හරි. Okay, 1 radian mean if you got this type circle. Now it is a circle, right? Clearly understand, right? එතන තේරුම් ගන්න. Now it's a circle. Yeah, I want the definition or the meaning of 1 radian. Okay, 1 radian mean if I got this type circle, this is the origin and this is the radius. Think radius 5 centimeter. This origin to the radius, it's 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Okay, if I got 5 centimeter arc length, 5 centimeter arc length up to this level, that means arc length equal to the radius. Okay, that's the concept. Arc length equal to the radius. The given angle we called as theta equal 1 radian. This theta equal 1 radian. 1 radian. 1 radian. The given angle, the angle created when arc length of a circle. The angle, no, Hashini. The angle created when the arc length equal to the radius of a circle. Small part, mistake. Okay, I got. Now this arc length mean this part, right? This point to this point, arc length, that we called as S. Now the given angle by arc length equal to the radius we called as 1 radian. The given arc length given angle equal to the radius. The radius and arc length equal. This given angle we called as 1 radian. Understood? Yeah, it's a totally new part for you because in O-level time you didn't discuss about radian. It's completely new part. Okay, again I'll explain. If I got, think radius 5 centimeter, if I got 5 centimeter arc length, this arc length given angle is 1 radian. Then how we can define the arc length given angle equal to the radius? Arc length and radius equal, then the given angle we called as 1 radian. Understood, Shiva? Okay, great. Okay, write down the definition. Write down the definition. The given angle by arc length, the given angle by a arc length, an arc length, the given angle by an arc length, arc length, arc length, arc length equal to the radius. The given angle by an arc length equal to the radius, equal to the radius is called as 1 radian, is called as 1 radian, is called as 1 radian. Okay, the angle given by arc length equal to the radius, right? The angle given by arc length equal to the radius we called as 1 radian. Okay, draw this and mark, note down this. Okay, it's very simple and very clear. Complete. S mean arc length. S mean arc length. S is a symbol of arc length. Then if I got any arc length equal to the radius, this sector part given angle is a 1 degree. The sector part given angle is 1 degree. Understood and complete? Harit. Okay, now let's summarize what we discussed up to now. Okay, we discussed angle measurements. For angle measurements, we have two units, degrees and radian. What's the meaning of 1 degree? Full circle angle divided into 360 parts. This one part called as 1 degree. That's the. What's the meaning of 1 radian? The angle given by arc length equal to the radius we called as 1 radian. Right? Matakai? Hari? Vihanga? Yansiru? Up to now, okay? Quickly. Vinuji? Hari. Write down the next topic. The most important topic. The relationship between degrees and radian. The relationship between degrees and radian. Okay, what's the relationship? Degrees and radians. Okay, that's the most important part. Hari, may bala. If I got circle, this is the origin. Okay, this is the origin and its radius. Okay, if I got this complete circle, before relationship, make here. Okay, now I got and sector part with 5 centimeter radius 5 centimeter, and arc length equal 25 centimeter. Then what is the angle of this theta? What is the value of this theta in radian? What is this theta radian? What is the value of this theta in radian? Now arc length 25 centimeter, radius 5 centimeter. What is the angle of this theta in radian? Very good, Akil. Very good. Others, quickly. Mani, Shivan, what is the angle in radian of this theta? Vinuji? Not centimeter, not degrees, not degrees. It's in radian, Senon. Yeah, answer 5 rad. Yes, 5 rad is answer. Good, 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 good. 5 rad is answer. Okay, how to get this answer? Theta radian equal. We can get short method. Theta radian equal arc length, arc length, arc length divide by radius. Arc length divide by radius. Arc length divide by radius. In short form, theta rad equal S over S mean arc length divide by radius. S over R. Then what is the arc length? 25. Divide by 5. It's 5 rad. 5 rad. 5 rad. Okay, this is a short method and short equation to calculate the angle in radian. Arc length divide by radius. Arc length divide by radius S over R. Hari. Previous not for relationship make endone calling eකට. Can you note down this for previous subtopic? Previous subtopic. Calling eකට endone. Radian equation may subtopic. Okay, then you have equation to calculate the theta in radian. Theta mean whatever angle in radian. What is the equation? S over R. Arc length divided by radius. Arc length divided by radius. The answer unit radian, right? Zenon, correct? Understood? Okay. Done. Nitira. Akil. Complete. Others. Vinuji. Complete. Hashini. Complete, right? Quickly, quickly. Don't have time. Today we have a lot of works. Okay, then any angle in radian, how to calculate? Arc length divided by radius. Arc length divided by radius. Okay, what's the meaning of 1 radian? 1 radian mean the arc length equal to the radius. If you got 5 centimeter arc length, this is 1 radian. Another radian. Now 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 5 into 5, 5 into 5 equal to 25. Then it is 5 radian. Hurry. Now, come to the next topic, the relationship between degrees and radian. The relationship between degrees and radian. Now it's a circle with radius r. Okay, what is this angle in theta? Now, what is theta? What is this theta angle in degrees? It's 360 degree, right? It is 360 degree. Hurry. The most important thing. 360 degree. The most important thing. Remember? Okay, now theta degree. Now think about the complete circle. For complete circle, complete circle, for complete circle, the most important thing, for complete circle, I want to calculate theta, this theta value in radian. The complete circle angle means theta in radian. Okay, what is the equation? Arc length divided by radius. Arc length divided by radius. Okay, what is the arc length of this complete circle? What is the arc length of this complete circle? The radius r. What is the arc length of this complete circle? Any idea? I want the arc length of complete circle. The arc length of complete circle. The arc length of complete circle. That means this point to again this point. What is the arc length? Shivan? What is the arc length? Very good. This complete arc length equal to the circumference. Wait, it's 2 pi r. Any doubt? The arc length of complete circle, it is equal to 2 pi r, right? 2 pi r. Now what happened? Radius to radius cancel out. Now theta radian equal, theta radian equal to 5 radian. Theta radian equal to 5 radian. Then I can say theta radian means theta in degrees. Oh, complete angle of circle in degrees, it's 360. Then I can say 360 equal to 5 radian. The most important relationship. If I got 360, that means the complete angle of a circle, it's 2 pi in radian. Degrees it is 360, in radian it is 2 pi. Understood? Okay, this is a relationship between degrees and radian. In the complete angle of a circle in degrees 360, in radian it is 2 pi. Okay, my question, if I got semicircle means half circle, its angle 180 degrees. What is the radian angle? What is the radian angle? Great. It is 5. 180 degree equal 5. Understood? Hashin, now okay, right? Now came to your point. We can't say 1 radian equal 5. It's totally wrong. Remember, 180 degrees equal 5. 360 degrees equal to 5. Anyone doubt? Okay, clearly write down this is a relationship. Draw this circle and note down this is a relationship, and you can highlight and make kottukara. Complete. Okay, last two topic. Degrees convert into radian. Degrees convert into radian. Degrees convert to radian. Degrees convert into radian. Degrees convert into radian. Degrees convert into radian. Okay. Now you already know 360 degrees. What is the radian value? 360 degrees. That means the complete angle of a circle. What is the radian value? It's 2, 5. Great. 2, 5 radian. If I got 180 degrees, what is the radian value? 5 radian. Great. 5 rad. If I got 90 degrees, what's the radian value? 90 degrees. Great. 5 over 2 radian. 5 over 2 radian. If I got 1 degree, what is the radian value? Think. Are make amadak kala hitan. Forget this. 180 degree equal 5 radian. Then what's the meaning of 1 radian? Very good, Hashim. Others think they are very simple, basic maths. No, Hashim. You have a mistake. Sorry, you are not wrong. You are not correct. No, Shiva. Small mistake. Yeah, your method correct, but small mistake. Yeah, Rashmit. Yeah, you correct. But 2 and 360 again dividing. Very good. You are correct. But you can use simple form. Ne? Yes. Xenon. I want 1 degree radian value. No. Akhil, 1 degree, it's okay. 1 degree radian value I want. 180 degree, it is 5 radian. Okay. Okay, I want to isolate. It's an equation. Now it is simple equation. 180 degree equal to 5 rad. Vinay, correct. Great. Okay, 180 degree equal to 5 radian. Then I want to 1 degree. Then both side divide by 180. Both side divide by 180. Then 180 to 180 cancel out. It's 1 degree. 1 degree equal 5 over 180 radian. Any doubt? 1 degree equal 5 over 180. 5 over 180. Hashini, not 180 over 5. Now correct. 5 over 180 is a 1 degree. Xenon, clear? Then 1 degree on a circle, if you convert in degree radian, it is 5 over 180 radian. 5 over 180 radian. Right. Okay. Write down degrees convert into radian. Note down this and highlight this one. Okay, complete. Then you have activity. Okay, I have a degree, I have an angle in degrees 30 degree. I want to get the radian value. 30 degree radian value. What is the answer? Great. Great, Hashim. Good. 1 degree equal 5 over 118. Then 30 multiplied by any degree value, you can multiply by 5 over 180 to convert into radian. Then make what you need to remember, any degree value you can convert into radian multiplied by 5 over 180. Then 0 to 0 cancel. 3, 6, 5 over 6 radian. Second one, 60 degrees. What is the radian angle? 60 degrees. What is the radian angle? $60. What is the radian angle? Wait. Wait. Yes. Yeah, all are correct. It's 5 over 3 radian. Good. 60 multiplied by 5 over 180. 0 cancel. It is 3. 5 over 3 radian. 5 over 3 radian. Wait. 5 over 3 radian. 5 over 3 radian. 5 over 3 radian. Third one. 150 degrees. 150 degrees. What is the radian angle? It has a fraction, fraction එකක් විදිහට ගන්න. Very good, Akil. Very good. Say no. Great. Yeah. Yeah. What is the answer? 150 into 5 over 180. Then the answer, it's 5 and 6. 5 over 6 radian. 5 over 6 radian. 5 over 6 radian. Great. Yes. Everyone correct. Okay. Let's do another one. Question number 4. 108 degrees. 108, yes. Vinuji, I think 501. Are you sure? Yeah, Xenon correct. Vinuji wrong. No. 5 rad mean 180, no? It's 108, not 180. 108, not 180. Uh, different answers. 27 5 over 45. 1.88. Better to get in as a fraction, Kalin. Okay, 108 multiplied by 5 over 180. The key and the 108. Yeah, 108 we can divide by 12, no? And 180 also divide by 12. It's 50. 108 divided by 12, it is 9. 180 divided by 12, it's 50. Again dividing. Again 5, 3. Then it is 3, 5 over 5 radian. Xenon, you have a mistake. Xenon. No, Rashmita. Not 5, 5 over 3. 3, 5 over 5. Aibala? Xenon. You have mistake, right? Yeah. Good. Yeah. Okay. Fifth one. 270. 270 degrees. 270 degrees. Let's convert into the radian. 270 degrees. 270 degrees. Oh, sorry. Can you hear me clearly? Because heavy rain outside. No connection issues and you can hear clearly, right? Yeah, your side also same. Shivan, you can hear me, no? No issue. Okay, great. Okay, answers. Okay, it is 30. Not 30, I think. Check again. Ah, 3. Okay. Yes, good. Asir correct. Yeah, Shivan correct. Xenon correct. Great. Good. It's 3/5/2 because 270 multiplied by 5 over 180. 0 to 0 cancel. Divide 9. No, both divide 9. It is 3 and 2. 3/5/2 rad. Final one. Sixth one. 300. 300. Convert into radian. Wait. Shivan, is it 6 or 2? No, different answers. Wait. Xenon, take it again. I think it is not divided by 2. No, Akil. Akil, wrong. Yeah, Asir correct. Yeah, 5 over 3 rad. Good. Yeah, now correct. All are correct. Now 300. Any degree value, not only 300, any degree value, how you convert into radian? Just degree value multiplied by 5 over 180. 5 over 180. Simple, right? That's only you need to remember. 0 to 0 cancel. Both dividing by 6. It's 5. 3. 5 over 3. Right? Okay, write down the final topic of this part. Radian convert into degrees. Radian convert into degrees. Radian convert into degrees. Radian convert into degrees. Right, and the final part of this final topic of this part, radian convert into degrees. Okay, how do radian convert into degrees now? Okay, you already know pi radian equal to 180 degrees. No, 180 degree equal 5 radian mean 5 radian equal to 180 degrees. Okay, I want 1 radian now. Can you send me the degree value? . 5 radian equal 180 degrees. I want 1 radian degree value. Think. They're simple equations. No, say no. 1 radian I want. One. No, say no. Small mistake. Kaliන් විදියම තමයි. Same method. You have to isolate one. Good, Vinuji, correct. Good, Hashin. Okay, how to get 1 radian? අපි radian පැත්ත එකක් කරන්න ඕනේ. Say no. This is a method. Yeah, very good, Nithira. Okay, both side divide by 5 radian. Both side divide by 5. Then 5 to 5 cancel. It's 1 radian. 5 to 5 cancel. It's 1 radian. 1 radian equal 180 over 5 degrees. 1 radian equal 180 over 5. Okay, that's a summary of the lesson. 1 degree equal 5 over 180 radian. හරිද මේක summary එක. 1 degree equal 5 over 180 radian, right? 1 radian equal 180 over 5 degree. That is a summary. Then you can only remember this one. 1 degree equal 5 over 180. It's reciprocal 1 radian, right? It's reciprocal degree is 1 radian. Opposite side. අනිත් පැත්ත. හරි? Okay, Sinon? Okay, note down this. Okay. This is my question number 1. Question number 1. 3 5 over 2 radian. Can you get the degree value? 3 5 over 2 radian. Can you get the degree value? How to get the degree value? Okay. 3 5 over 2. 3 5 over 2 multiplied by 180 over 5 now. Degree convert into radian, 5 over 180. Radian convert into degree, 180 over 5. Understood? Now what happened? 5 to 5 cancel out. I'll use another color. 5 to 5 cancel out. It's 180 over 290. 90 into 3, 270 degrees. Understood? Understood? Very simple. 270 degrees. Very simple. Okay, again, revise what you need to remember. Then api michrela karapu eking. We discussed up to now. What you need to remember, degrees convert into radian multiplied by 5 over 180. Radian convert into degrees multiplied by 180 over 5. That's all. If you want, please note down there. පැත්තකින් ලියා ගන්න එක. ලියලානේ තියෙන්නේ නේද? Okay, second one. Two 5 over 3, right? What is the degree value? 2 5 over 3. Yeah, good Viniji. Others quickly. Wait, correct. Yeah, multiply by 180 over 5. Then 5 to 5 cancel. It's 180 divided by 3, it is 60. 60 into 2, 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Not 180, okay. 180 means 5. 180 degrees radian value 5. Okay, right. Third one. Five 5 over 6 radian. What is the degree value? Five 5 over 6. Yeah, 150. Great. Yeah, all are correct. Great. 150. How to get this? 5 over 6 multiplied by 180 over 5. Then 5 to 5 cancel. 6, it's 30. 30 into 5, it is 150 degrees. Okay, fourth one. Opposite side 6 pi over 5 radian. I want the degree value. Okay, what's the degree value? 6 pi over 5. $204 or 10 or 16. Answers තුනක් දෙන 204, 210 or 216. Okay, let's check. Multiply by 180 over 5. Then 5 to 5 cancel out. Now 180 divided by 6 divided by 5. Right? 180 divided by 6 multiplied by 6 divided by 5. It's what happened? Yeah, now correct. Say no. It's 60. You can use calculators. Yeah, that's your problem. You have to get a calculator. 216 degrees. Alage errors enona calculations errors enona. Use calculator. No any problem. In exam also you can use calculators. Don't try to get manually. Because no need. In exam also for ET and SFT both and BST also you can use calculators. Only ICT you can't, but ICT no more calculations. Final one, fifth one. Four 5 over 3 right. Okay. Good. Now correct, everyone. Yeah, it's 240, correct. 180 over 5. 5 to 5 cancel. It's 60. 60 into 4, it is 240. 240. Last one. Sixth one. 35 over 4. 35 over 4. Yeah, good. Good. Center correct. Okay. 135 over 4 multiplied by 180 over 5. Now 5 to 5 cancel. 5 to, oh, what happened? 5 to 5 cancel. 180 over 4. 45. 45 into 3. 90. 90 plus 40. 130. 135 degrees. Yes, great. Yes, everyone correct. Good. Okay. The angle measurement basic mathematics first topic is completed. First topic completed. Okay, write down the second topic of basic mathematics. Actually, they are not lesson. Okay, we discussing basics things to come to first lesson. They are not lessons. Still, we are in the basic parts. Write down the second topic, unit conversion. Before that, I'll give you main. Exam MCQ question. Question number 12. This 2017 or 19, I can't remember. 2019, I think. 2019 A-level question. 2019 A-level MCQ. Okay, what is the answer? 75 over 6 radian in degrees. What's the answer? Yeah, everyone correct. Yes, Kalindu. Yeah, everyone correct. Answer number 3. 210 degrees. Hari. Okay, let's move into the second topic of basic mathematics, unit conversion. Unit conversion. Yeah, Asir. Yeah, correct, Asir. Unit conversion. Unit conversion. Unit conversion. Okay, actually our basic mathematics first lesson is area and volume. Okay, before start this area volume lesson, you should have basic knowledge of unit conversion. Not only area volume, other physics lessons, chemistry lessons also you need this area unit conversion basic concept. Do you know, do you remember in measurement lesson I explained 1 meter divided into 10 identical parts. 1 meter roll make this is a meter roll. Yes, this meter roll. Meter roll, if I divide into 10 identical parts, then what is the name of one part? That means actually this 0 to 10, this size. Oh, sorry. Centimeter. What is the name? I explained in the measurement lesson. Yeah, up to this level. This line. Anyone? No idea? 1 meter divided into 10 identical parts. What is the name of one part? Quickly, quickly. No, no. Centimeter mean Rashmita, 1 meter divided into 100 identical parts. Because 1 meter has 100 centimeters. I am asking 1 meter divided into 10 identical parts. Very good, Asir. Very, very good. No, Kalpana. Yeah, it's 10 centimeter, correct? Yeah, 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter part we called as, that we called as 1 decimeter, Shiva. 1 decimeter. 1 decimeter. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 1 decimeter, Vinuji. Correct. 1 decimeter. Okay, if I divide 1 meter into 100 identical parts, 100 identical parts, what is the name? What is the name of one part? It's centimeter. Very good. 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Okay, again 1 meter divided into 1000 identical parts. What is the name of one part? Quickly. 1000 now. millimeter. 1 millimeter. Okay. That enough. You should have basic idea about this concept. Decimeter, centimeter, millimeters. That means one per 1 meter, 10 decimeters, 100 centimeters, and 1000 millimeters per 1 meter, right? Okay. Etika one. Now, okay. First write down this. Okay. They are the basic unit conversion. Okay, right? Complete. Okay. First question. Question number 1. If I got 0.8 meter, how many centimeters? 0.8 meter, how many centimeters? Today lesson very important because uh, this this concept, this conversion not only for area volume, entire lesson, not only this syllabus, other subjects also very important. හැමදේම කියලා දෙන්න. Yes, it is 80 centimeter. Great. 0.8 meters mean in centimeters because 1 meter 100 centimeters, then you can multiply by 100. Great. Then 0.8 into 100, it's 80 centimeter. Okay, if I got, do you know what is the standard unit for length? They are length measuring units. What is the standard unit? We have millimeters, centimeters, decimeters, kilometers, meters, and the units also there. What is the standard unit? SI unit. Yes. The meter is a standard unit. Hari. Api කියමු. Second one. Second one. 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. I want to get in meters. I want to convert into meters. 20 centimeter. I want to express in meters. How to convert? What is the value? 20 centimeters. 20 centimeter distance. I want to convert into meters. How to convert? Great, Shiva. Yeah. What is the value beneath? No, Rashmi. ඔය mistakes තමයි හදාගන්න ඕනේ. Then centimeter 20, if we multiply by 100, it's 2000. 20 centimeter equal to 2000 meter. Is it possible? Yeah, that's the purpose of today lesson. Rashmita, you have to improve these conversions. Otherwise, if you know everything about area and volume, you're doing mistakes again and again. Okay, now mistakes okay, but you have to improve this. No, Rashmita. Now 0.8 meters, if you want to convert into meter, that means meter convert into centimeter. Per 1 meter, you 100 centimeters. Then multiply by 100 to convert into centimeter. Now centimeter convert into meter. What is the method? Divide by 100, not multiply, sir. Divide by 100. That means 20 divided by 100. It's 0.2 meters. 0.2 meters. No, Shenon. Not 0.02. Because 0 cancel. 0.2 meters. Yes. .2 meters. Great. Hurry. Okay, let's do another one. Third one. .300 millimeters. I want to convert into standard unit. Meter. 300 millimeters. Try to get this. .300 millimeters. Get something. Yes. Now correct. Everyone correct. Yes. Now, per 1 meter, how many millimeters? 1000. Then millimeters convert into meters. Then 300 divide by 1000. 20 cancel out. 0.3 meter is the answer. 0.3 meter. 0.3 meter. They're just simple conversions. Just simple conversions. Hurry. Okay, let's get another one. Fourth one. Fourth one. 0.9 meter. I want to convert into millimeter. How many millimeters? 0.9 meters mean how many millimeters? Wait, Shiva. Wait. It's 900 millimeter because 0.9 meter. How many millimeters per 1 meter? 1000. Then 0.9 multiplied by 1000, it is 900. Rashmita? Now okay? Hari. Okay, let's do another one. Fifth one. Fifth one. 0.8 centimeter. How many millimeters? Zero point 0.8 centimeter. How many millimeters? Rashmita. No, no, no. I want in centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. 0.8 centimeter, not meter. Good. No, no, okay. 0.8 centimeter, not meter. 0.8 meter in millimeters, it's 800 correct. But now centimeter. How many millimeters per 1 centimeter? It's only 10. Then multiply only 10. 10 වලින් විතරයි multiply කරන්නේ. 8 millimeter, yes. Now correct. 8. Because 0.8 multiplied by 10, it's 8. හරි. මේකත් ගන්න බලන්න. VI. 5.6 decimeter. How many meters? How many meters? 5.6 decimeter. Wait. Wait. Others, quickly. Takkalada. Shwetam. 5.6 decimeter. How many meters? Wait, Rashmita. It's how many decimeters per meter? Only 10. Then divide by 10. 0.56 meters. 0.56. You have to practice, eh? Because our whole lessons, this conversion is important. Hurry. Final one. 7. 80.6 millimeter. How many centimeters? 80.6 millimeter. How many centimeters? Great. Great. Akhil, what's the value? 80.6 millimeter. How many centimeters? 80.6 millimeters. How many centimeters? Great. It is 8 point, because how many centimeters, sorry, how many millimeters per 1 centimeter? It is 10. Then millimeter convert into centimeter, divide by 10, right? Then 8 point, decimal point get into 8.06 centimeter. 8.06 centimeter. Great. 8.06 centimeter. තව එකක් හදු. 8. 3.8 meter. How many millimeters? Final one. Quickly send. 3.8 meter. How many millimeters? Millimeters කීයක් තියෙනවා? Great, Seno. Shivan, correct. Pinuji, Akhil, and Sweta. Kalindu. Senura. Yes, Rashmi, correct. Correct. Okay, correct. Everyone correct. Take as 1 meter, 1000 millimeters, then 3800 millimeters. Okay, any unit, I think you can convert into other length units using this reference, using this basic reference. Okay. Now, the new section. Okay, I have a plate, right? I have a whatever object or shape. I got an area. I got an area of any object. It is 2 centimeter. 20 point, 20 without decimal for easy understand. 200 square centimeters. Square centimeter. Is it a standard unit? No, it is not the standard unit. It is not the standard unit. I just want to convert this 200 into square meter into a standard unit. Can anyone send me what is the answer in square meters? 200 square centimeter. If I convert into square meter, what is the answer? Square centimeter 200. Carefully think. Important. No, no, say no. 200. 200 square centimeter. I want in square meters. May say no. Yeah, Vinoji correct. Great. No, Shivan wrong. Yes, no, now correct. No, no, no. Kalindu wrong. I said 200 square centimeter. I just want to convert into square meters. You're doing these conversions in all over time, no? You're doing area and volume. All over තියනවද නැද්ද? තියනව නේද? Shivan? These conversions are there, right? No. නැද්ද? Yeah, now correct, Khalindu. Good. Now correct. Okay, how to convert square centimeter into square meter? Now, centimeter convert into meters. Now you already know, divide by 100. Now, square centimeters, therefore, square centimeters, you have to divide by 200, 100 into 100. Then 20, cancel. Then 2 divided by 100, 0.02 square meter is the answer. Understood. Yeah, divide by 10,000. 10,000 means 100 into 100. 100 into 100. Why 2 times? Because it is square. Square. Normal method, divide by 100. You have to do it 2 times because square. Understood? Asil? Understood? You have to do it 2 times because it is square centimeter. The basic concept you have to do 2 times. Yeah, very, very important. These things. Hurry. Okay, now the area of a plate I got, that was 800 square millimeter. Can I get in square standard unit square meter? You have note down there. You have note down. You can note down. 800 square millimeter. I just want to convert into square meter. If any doubt, please ask me. Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask me. No, Shiva. It is square millimeter. No, xenon. Check again. Same method. Nah, yeah, Vinuji correct. Others, 800 square millimeter. You have to convert into square meter. Sanuti? Sanuti. Now correct. Say no. Uh, yeah, I said correct. Good. Rashmita, could you get this? No, I think okay. How to get this? Okay, it is 800 square millimeter. Then how to convert millimeter into meter? Divide by 1000. But it is square millimeter. Then to convert into square meter, you have to divide by 1000 into 1000 two times because it's square. Clear? Then 20 cancel. The answer 8 divided by 10,000. 0.0008. Rashmit. 000, three zeros, not 00. Clear? Okay, good. Hurry. Next one. Okay, I got a volume of any object and my answer was 180 cubic centimeter. But I want to get in standard unit. Cubic meter is the volume standard unit. Cubic meter is a volume standard unit because length standard unit meter, area expansion area standard unit square meter, volume standard unit cubic meter. Okay, I want to convert this 180, sorry, 1800 down, 1800 cubic centimeter into cubic meter. How to convert? Same method. Same method. Hurry, Ganbala. Have you got 6? Wrong. I think Shivan correct. Okay, what is the method? Yeah, same method. How to convert centimeter into meter, divide by 100. Centimeter into meter, divide by 100. But it is 3 times now because cube, since it is cube, it's doing 3 times. 3 times, great. 3 times 100 into 100 into 100 cubic meters. Then 20 cancel out. 0.0018. 0.0018 cubic meter. 0.0018 cubic meter. Okay, final one. I got a volume of 8,000 cubic millimeter. I want to convert into cubic meter into a standard unit. How to convert? What is the value? 8,000 cubic millimeter, not centimeter, millimeter. Cubic millimeter. Basic conversions, right? Yeah. Yes, correct. Okay, how to convert? Same method. Very simple. Now millimeter convert into meter. What is the method? Divide by 1000. Then 1000 divide by 1000 3 times. 3 times. Why? Because it's cube. Now 0.000008. 0.508. Now Vinuji, it's millimeter square. Millimeter cube, millimeter cube. Cubic millimeter. Divide by 1000 into 3 times. Okay, Vinuji? Okay. Okay, the basic mathematics completed. Okay, our next topic, area and volume, that we discuss going to start next week. And what is your homework? Homework, again go through degrees and radians and conversion methods and unit conversion. That's very important for area and volume. That's why I got a separate day for this basic mathematics. And I'll send you tunes before next week. Probably you can collect them Wednesday or Thursday. Then you can ready for the area volume. The main thing, you have to go through again these conversions and degrees and radians before we start area and volume. Okay, do you have any doubt? Akil? Nitira? Any doubt? You have to practice. මේ වගේ තව තව convert කර බලන්න and try to understand the concept. That's only. And practice few questions, then you can convert any meter to centimeter, centimeter, meter, decimeter, anyone. Okay. Done. The basic mathematics completed, and write down the topic, area and volume. This is the first lesson actually. This is a next week lesson. Then this is after basic mathematics, our main topic, area and volume. Area and volume. We have a lot of calculations. Lot of calculation next week. Area and volume. Okay, let's meet with the area and volume next week. Okay, no doubts, right? Do you have any doubts? Okay, no. Okay, let's meet area and volume new lesson. That's our first important lesson, because in exam questions, one essay questions and 5 MCQ question. It's a main lesson. And in this area volume lesson, we're not going to discuss like O-level time basic shape areas and volumes. They are not calculations. We're going to discuss real applications with real technological applications of its area volume knowledge. How to use this area volume knowledge for applications. Again, apply the technology. Okay, that's we discussing. Okay, let's meet next week with our new lesson. Goodbye. Good night. Please go to them and practice.